This week Premier League results surprised me o. Wenger, what do you think about the Arsenal performance against Liverpool for Anfield?
I swear, as I see the lineup, I already know say Arsenal go lose that game. Una think say na Newcastle him dey play. E be like say the guy know well. How you go take put two blind people for your game against Liverpool?
Wenger, abeg na who blind for Arsenal?
See mumu question wey you dey ask me. David Luiz and that boy Gwendo kid, their hair no dey gree them see road. You know see as Salah just forget Luiz for back. Luiz con nearly put Salah shirt comot. Even Salah second goal sef. You know see as he take forget Luiz. Luiz con dey find am. Him hair no gree am see where Salah dey run go. Gwendo's own be say him no even know wetin him come do for the match. The hair dey disturb am sotey no be only him eye e dey block. E be like say the hair dey block him destiny join. But the worst part be say na Unai Emery carry these boys put for field against Liverpool wey be European champions. The guy come bench Torreira and Lacazette. I no sabi wetin the guy dey do sha. E be like say the guy head dey knock sometimes sha. But I like am like that. I like the guy.
Why you like the guy?
Because I know say if him continue like this, na Arsenal fans go carry their hand come beg me say make I come back.
Mourinho, wetin you get to tell us about the Tottenham game?
Leave Tottenham, Jaw. You never sabi their work for EPL. So you no know say their ambition na to barrier big teams. See as them spoil Man City runs, con lose against Newcastle. Na Arsenal like the pity sef. As I dey now, na Man U game dey sweet me to talk about. You know say Man U still carry that epilepsy wey worry them last season enter this season. Pogba and Rashford no fit score PK again. Talk less of free kick. The game don dey get parallax error where im dey catch ball. In short, Man U don enter another one chance this season.
Why you no go sweet you to talk when you don destroy Man U finish?
Wetin you mean by that?
No be you talk say you go destroy Man U the time wey you still be Chelsea coach?
Now. That time I still be Chelsea coach na.
Now. Na him I dey talk. You come see say you no go fit do am as Chelsea coach. Na him make you go enter inside Man U as their coach. Come finally finish Man U.